So, what is RA 9266? And what does it even mean to us future architects? To keep things simple, RA 9266 refers to the rules and regulations of architecture as a professional practice. It is a source of information regarding how to become an architect as well as its practice. Now, the next issue we have to address is reason behind the dispute between Philippine architects and engineers towards it.
Engineers have no problem with most parts of RA 9266 since they were present and active during the document's creation. It is actually civil engineers who have a particular problem with sections 302.3 and 302.4 with RA 9266, which state that only licensed architects are allowed to sign architectural documents such as floor plans, elevations, sections, etc.
Prior to the Act of 2004, there was no concrete enforcement or regulation on what can and cannot be signed by engineers, though it was never said in any document that engineers can actually sign architectural drawings.
A civil case was filed in 2005 to amend these particular sections, but it was ultimately won in favor of the architects. However, implementation wasn't active and engineers still sign over architectural documents until today.
The issue isn't about which document is which, for that would be a simple problem to solve. The issue lies on whether regulation of which documents can be signed, and that has become a loss to the civil engineers since they have fewer opportunities to create more income for themselves. It's just all about the money.
That said, given the scopes of work of either profession, the answer to the dispute should be quite clear. Professionally speaking, the issue demands mutual respect between occupations. As UAP National President, Maria Benita Ochoa Regal had said, quote, "We respect the professional competence of civil engineers with regard to the civil and structural design of the buildings and structures. In turn, we expect the civil engineers to accord the same respect for our profession." End quote.
Just like what you said, it's been dragging for so long. As I said, it's been settled. Then there was a appeal by the engineers to look through it again. And then the court said they allowed it. And now it's been going back and forth. But the law states clearly, look at the RA 966 of the building code, it states there clearly that architects are the only one who can sign architectural documents. We're referring only to architectural documents. And therefore, since it's clear those are architectural documents, engineers do not have any right or even jurisdiction over those documents, since architectural documents are the intellectual property rights owned by architects. So what's the point of signing them? They're not your work. And even then, if the engineers are going to be doing the architectural documents, they cannot sign them because those are architectural documents. We are not contesting them to sign and attach or fix their seal for their structural works or all their civil works, civil documents. We're only just concerned about our own documents. For me personally, there should be no point of contention because like what the law says, those are architectural documents that should only be signed and sealed by architects. And so sa akin, no contest. Very clear naman na nakasupport.
Subok, sakto, sulit na trabaho. Ang proyekto mo sa arkitekto, sigurado. Subok, sakto, sulit na trabaho. Ang proyekto mo sa arkitekto, sigurado.
Sigurado magtiwala at makinig. Sigurado